Hi there, and welcome to another helpful guide. If you've been wondering how to control notifications in the Google Meet or Open Meets app, you're in the right place. Whether you want to enable alerts or silence them during meetings, I'll walk you through every step clearly and easily. Open Meets app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings from the list of options. After that, click on Call Settings. Within Call Settings, tap on Notifications. Now to enable notifications, toggle the switch for Allow Notifications to On. To turn off notifications, simply toggle the Allow Notifications switch to Off. That's it. Now you know how to control your Meet notifications easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.